So good morning to all dear friends, seniors, teachers, and all the members of Indian Orthodontic Society. We all welcome you here today on our 75th Independence Day program. We all here from Head Office, President Dr. Selju Matthew, Honorary Secretary Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, President-elect Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, Vice President Dr. Surya Das, Joint Secretary Dr. Nana Shanmugam, I, Honorary Treasurer, I, Dr. Sanjala, Honorary Treasurer, and we have Senior Professor Dr. Obi Kharwanda, sir, other EC members. We all wish from bottom of our heart a very, very happy Indian Independence Day to all of you. This year has been very difficult, and because of this corona pandemic, we are meeting online, and this has given us an opportunity to celebrate our Independence Day all together. So today also, with all our members, we are celebrating it. And I request our President, Dr. Selju Matthew, sir, to deliver his welcome address and have the flag hosting virtually. So over to you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Sanjay Lab. A very good morning to one and all. Today is the 75th Independence Day, and we will first start with the flag hosting. It's a virtual flag hosting.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. Once again, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, Madam Secretary, Vice President, President-elect, Honorary Treasurer, Principal Office Bearers, EC members, respected senior members, and esteemed members of IOS. Today, we all are here to acknowledge our privilege of being born in a free India and celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this occasion, our thoughts turn to the martyrs who made the supreme sacrifice for our country's liberty. We are also reminded of the relentless struggle of our great patriot, liberated our motherland from colonial rule. The idea of being an independent nation where sovereign power lies with us to determine our future places a huge responsibility on our shoulders. Over the years, our nation has gained respect from the world for the democratic route chosen by it. This day is a plethora of emotions. It reminds us of the journey of this great nation from the path of being enslaved, of the strength in unity. It defines sacrifice. It makes us value and cherish the freedom we have today. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of a great nation. This pandemic has been a setback on our march to progress and dampened our spirits, but the nation rose to the challenges of the disruption and weathered the multiple waves with grit and resolve to face the adversities, thanks to the government and the COVID warriors, and showed the world the versatility and tenacity of the spirit of the people of this great nation. But the fight against COVID continues and hopefully should be behind us in the near future. Respecting the sacrifices of our people to COVID in mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland and work together towards a brighter, prosperous, and healthy nation for our next generation. Wishing you all a happy Independence Day. To celebrate the occasion, we are showcasing our in-house talent of iOS with a cultural program that would follow. And I thank Dr. Sanjay Lab for putting it together at a very short notice. Indian Orthodox Society is blessed with immense talent. And today you will see some of these talents as they perform the cultural program that will follow immediately after this. Have a great day of celebration and Independence Day festivities. Jai Hind, Jai iOS. Please take care and stay safe. Over to you, Dr. Sanjay.
Thank you so much, sir. It is a great vision from you. Now I request our Honorary Secretary, Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, Madam, to say a few words and give us the way.
Very good morning to one and all, President of the Indian Orthodontic Society, principal office bearers, esteemed members, senior members who have taken the time to join us today. Truly, although the last 2 years have been very difficult, in a way, it's given us all an opportunity to come together on a virtual platform and celebrate special occasions like this, which we probably did not do in previous years. The concept of independence and celebrating this Independence Day is an opportunity, of course, to remember that the path traveled by so many who have preceded us has been a very hard one, and we should not take the concept of independence for granted. It's also an opportunity to celebrate something which goes much beyond the tangible of nation and boundaries. It's an opportunity to celebrate something that's larger than us, an emotion, a common bond, something of oneness that binds us all together. And, I always scoff at people who are sentimental at movies and at music, but the national anthem is something that never fails to move me. So with these few words, since we have a program ahead of us, as a nation, as a society, and as a people, let me quote a great person who said, "May we think of freedom not as the right to do as we please, but as the opportunity to do what is right." Jai Hind, Jai iOS. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for such a nice words. And I request our President-elect, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani, sir, to say a few words on this occasion.
Good morning to one and all. Today, let us take some time to value our nation and never forget the sacrifices. Don't ever ask what country has given you. Always we should think what we can do our little bit to our country, little bit. Lot of little bits will count to a big thing and a change to nation. Happy Independence Day to one and all. Thank you. Over to you, Dr. Sanjay.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. We have our senior professor, Ubi Kharvanda sir with us. So I request you also, sir, to please say a few words.
Thank you very much, Dr. Sanjay Lab. सबसे पहले तो मैं इंडियन ऑर्थोडोंटिक सोसाइटी प्रेसिडेंट, सेक्रेटरी, प्रेसिडेंट इलेक्ट और सभी ऑफिस बेयर्स को और सभी मेंबर्स को और देशवासियों को 15 अगस्त के उपलक्ष्य में बधाई देना चाहूँगा। ये एक ऐसा ओकेजन है जो हम सबको अलग अलग भाषाएं, अलग अलग प्रदेश, अलग अलग कल्चर, विविधता में एकता, यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी की हमको याद दिलाता है। जब 15 अगस्त का, जब देश को आज़ाद करने का मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ, हम सब एक थे। कभी हमने ये नहीं सोचा कि मैं मराठा हूँ या मैं तमिल हूँ। हमने ये सब सोचा हम भारतीय हैं। अगर हम उसी स्पिरिट को, उसी भावना को आगे लेकर साथ चलें और उसी भावना को इंडियन ऑर्थोडोंटिक सोसाइटी में भी ले आएं कि हम सब मिलकर अपने देश को और अपनी सोसाइटी को आगे ले जाएंगे, तो ये बहुत अच्छा होगा और बहुत अच्छा हो रहा है। और जैसे डॉक्टर चसलानी ने बोला कि हमें सोसाइटी ने क्या दिया, कभी हमने ये सोचा कि हमने सोसाइटी के लिए क्या किया। that all little bit will count, and that will count to bring our society, our nation on the top of the world. Jai Hind, Jai Hind, Jai Hind. Thank you.
Thanks, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your kind words. And we at Indian Orthodontist Society always try to do everything collectively, and we all work together as Indians. And that's what we have learned from all of you, all seniors. So let us celebrate this today's Independence Day with cultural activity from all our dear members. We are full with talents. So we EC members have prepared a video to show our emotion. Sir, so I will just share my screen. Sir, can you stop sharing? Okay. Sir, my screen is visible?
Yes, yes, sir.
Great. So this is from all our EC members.
भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
So such a great song. भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे प्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है. So this song, it is a collective representation from each one of us, and our country also geographically, it is Kerala is having scenic trees and the sea beaches, and Kashmir is having the mountains, and likewise the people also from different part are having different kind of asset within them. So our country is full of potentials in all form, and we all love it, and we have tried to express that with this video. So I hope this has expressed our feeling to all your friends. So now let us move to another presentation from Dr. Mugdha Munkar, who is reciting Bande Mataram in her own sweet voice, in her own way.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
Okay?
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलम् सस्यश्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं फुल्लकुसुमित द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
Great. Vande Mataram. So, like Jan Gan Man Adhinayak Rashtra, like Rashtra, and this Vande Mataram also fills us all with all emotions. And great presentation, Dr. Mugdha Munkar, from your side. So, we have Pallavi from Wardha, who is saying, everyone says that she is saying through this song that I love my India. all love our India and the great way you expressed it for all of us. So now we have Assistant Professor Dr. Kritika from SRM Dental College, Chennai. Dr. Kritika. Great. So we have great presentation from Dr. Sridhar Kannan, and
ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता मिट्टी की जो खुशबू तू कैसे भुलाएगा तू चाहे कहीं जाए तू लौट के आएगा नई नई राहों में दबी दबी आहों में खोए खोए दिल से तेरे कोई ये कहेगा ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता तुझसे जिंदगी है ये कह रही सब तो पा लिया अब है क्या कमी यूं तो सारे सुख है बरसे पर दूर है तू अपने घर से आ लौट चल तू अब दीवाने जहां कोई तो तुझे अपना माने आवाज दे तुझे बुलाए वही देश ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता ये पल है वही जिसमें है छुपी कोई एक सदी सारी जिंदगी तू न पूछ रास्ते में काहे आए हैं इस तरह दो राहे तू ही तो है राह जो सुझाए तू ही तो है अब जो ये बताए चाहे तो किस दिशा में जाए वही देश ये जो देश है तेरा स्वदेश है तेरा तुझे है पुकारा ये वो बंधन है जो कभी टूट नहीं सकता Happy Independence Day to all the members of the Indian Orthodontic Society. Thank you.
thank you so much.
ये जो देश
And this song, how nicely it says that this Desh is calling everyone, and whoever is there outside the country, how they feel about coming back and doing their bit for the country. Great presentation, dear Dr. Sridhar. Now we have Dr. Sunil Chandy, and he is singing Bharat Ki Beti. So, Dr. Sir, it is a proud achievement.
ओ सट के नचावा मेरी दिल जानिया मैं शीश झुकावा मेरी दिल जानिया तेरे नाम झुक जावा गमे हो तू सारे जहां से प्यारी मेरे भारत की बेटी है सारे जहां पे पारी मेरे भारत की बेटी दिल जान है शान हमारी मेरे भारत की बेटी जीती रहो जीतती रहो Happy 70th Independence Day to all Lord. जो तेरे नैनों से टपके, हर आंसू है अपना जो तेरे होठों पे ठहरे, वो गीत अब अपना। जो सीना ठान के तो चले, उठता है सर अपना, जजी ले अपनी जिंदड़ी, सर पर हाथ है अपना, तेरा जो भी है सपना, हम जिम्मा है अपना, सपने सच करने की तेरी बारी। तू सारे जहां से प्यारी, मेरे भारत की बेटी है, सारे जहां पे पारी, मेरे भारत की बेटी, दिल जान शान हमारी, मेरे भारत की बेटी, जीती रहो जीतती रहो।
Great expression, dear Dr. Surel. So nice of you that you remembered all our doctors who are making us pride. So now we have Dr. Vaibhava from Sri Balaji Dental College, Chennai. And he's
हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन तन से मन से मन से धन से तन मन धन जीवन से तन मन धन जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन अंतर से मुख से अंदर से कृति से अंदर से मुख से अंदर से कृति से निश्चल हो निर्मल मति श्रद्धा से मस्तक नत से हम करें राष्ट्र अभिवादन हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन अपने हंसते शैशव से अपने खिलते यौवनों से अपने हंसते शैशव से अपने खिलते यौवनों से प्रौढ़ता पूर्ण जीवन से हम करें राष्ट्र का अर्चन हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन
too good, superb. So she remembered all our freedom fighters through this song. Great, Dr.
The
Vaibhava.
appropriate video also.
Yes. Oh, pardon me, madam.
Very nice video also. Very nice appropriate
Very nice
background video.
Yes, very nice video. So now we have a very nice flute played by Dr. Jayesh Rahalkar. Thank you so much, sir. Such a nice, sweet playing and way of expressing the things. Now we have another postgraduate student from Balaji Dindini College, Chennai, and she is expressing her emotions through her song. Prema Chitti.
सच की कोख से शब्द जन्म ले धर्म की धारा कल कल रोए रेगिस्तान चीर दे नदी विचार की चल चल छोड़ा सीना ईमान का ना हो टुकड़े टुकड़े बांसुरीले बंदिश में हो और सुरीले मुखड़े प्रहार करो जगाओ मेरा देश जगाओ मेरा देश जगाओ मेरा देश जगाओ मेरा देश
Great. Prahar Karo Jagao Mera Desh. Great awakening song. Very nice. Our postgraduate students are doing it so better. Now we have our own Dibiru Rai, and he is. Yes. I Vatan Vatan Mere Aaya Mere.
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू ऐ वतन मेरे वतन तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूं कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू मैं जहाँ रहूं जहाँ में याद रहे तू है वतन मेरे वतन है वतन मेरे वतन
Great. So, Ai Vatan Mere Vatan from Dibiru Rai. And at last, I would like to say, like, जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ. So we all are going to do whatever we can do for our country.
जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ, अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। ये मेरा गीत जीवन संगीत, कल भी कोई दोहराएगा। ये मेरा गीत जीवन संगीत, कल भी कोई दोहराएगा। जग को हंसाने बहरूपिया, रूप बदल फिर आएगा। स्वर्ग यहीं नरक यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको आवाज दो, हम हैं वहीं हम थे जहाँ, अपने यहीं दोनों जहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जीना यहाँ मरना यहाँ।
So we all are always here at iOS with everyone to help everyone, whatever we can do to each and all. So now I request at the end, because our Joint Secretary, Dr. Nana Shanmugam, to say a few words and thank everyone for this program. Please, Dr. Nana Shanmugam.
Hello, everyone. Good morning to dear senior members and dear friends of Indian Orthodontic Society. It's been a great pleasure delivering the vote of thanks for the Independence Day celebration by the Indian Orthodontic Society. It's been a great initiative. First, congratulations to Sanjay Bhai for taking the initiative again in a very short span of time. Excellent initiative and coordination, Sanjay Bhai. Appreciation to you. Thanks to our President, sir, ever dynamic and ever encouraging and ever cooperative. Silju Matthew, sir, for all the support in making this event a grand success. Thank you to our dynamic and hardworking Secretary, Madam Dr. Sridevi Padmanabhan, and ever smiling. Thank you, ma'am, for all the support and being on time for every program and lending your helping hand for every program. We missed your singing today.
And we have, yes. Yeah. So can we have live, madam?
Of course, definitely.
Can we?
Yes, madam. Yes, and we
We
have
have a few lines.
Okay. I think Jnana is in the middle of his speech. Let him finish.
No, he will finish at the end. He will give his vote of thanks at his, and we have one more in between. We have got one more entry, so I will play that also.
You can garnish his vote of thanks with a song.
Yes, yes. More
Just
than
just a small prayer that is always sung by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Great.
Vaishnava jana to kele kahiye je, veer parai jane de. Vaishnava jana to kele kahiye je, veer parai jane de. पर दुखे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना लागे दे। वैष्णव जन तो तेने कही जे पीड़ पराई जागे रे। Thank you.
Great, madam. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dear Dr. Nana Shanmugam Bhai, just 1 minute. We have one more entry for a,
Yeah, that is
from our own
more
doc-
important. That is more
Yes,
important. Please
so
go ahead.
that is from our own Dr. Kavita. So let me share the screen, and so we should hear her feelings also. She has sung a very nice song.
मेरा देश मेरा मुल्क मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। मेरा देश मेरा मुल्क मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निज़ार है मेरा तन मेरा मन। ए वतन ए वतन ए वतन, जाने मन जाने मन जाने मन। मेरा देश मेरा मुल्क मेरा ये वतन, शांति का उन्नति का प्यार का चमन। इसके वास्ते निसार है मेरा तन मेरा मन।
Great, great.
जय हिंद, जय iOS.
Thank you so much. It was great expression of your emotion, and this is what we also express, that I watan Janeman. So again, so now anyway we have to finish the program. So now dear Nana Shanmugam will conclude it. And thank you, madam,
Sanjay Bhai.
for the nice prayer also. Sridevi madam.
Yeah, of course, this is a very, we can always be inclusive. That's one example of what iOS is. Excellent singing, Dr. Kavita. It was nice listening to you. It is worth interrupting the word of thanks in between. Thanks to President and Secretary, and now coming to our dynamic and hardworking President-elect, Dr. Sri Krishna Chalsani. It is his clinic anniversary today, and he has taken time to come and celebrate it with us. Congratulations on your clinic anniversary, President-elect sir, and thanks for coming here and supporting us as always. Thanks to Vice President Dr. Surya, and of course, it's always a passion for Sanjay to organize these things. No need to thank him; it's his initiative, and I would like to congratulate him. Thanks to all EC members for being present here. Thanks to all senior members, OPK sir and other seniors. Pradeep Raghavbhai is here. Sorry if I had missed anyone. Thanks to all participants who have done. You have been the actual core of this day, and you have entertained us very well. We all enjoyed sitting here on a Sunday morning on an Independence Day. I always feel that there is always a family outside our own family. Thank you, everyone, once again. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day.
Thank you, dear. Thank you so much.
Thank you all for joining. Thank you so much, and perfect timing, Sanjay. Perfect.
Excellent. Perfect to the dot as we start our next program at 10 o'clock. Thank you all for joining us. I would like to thank Sanjay for putting it together at a very short notice. I think you have a wonderful knack of connecting to the talented people of iOS, and you showcase the best of talent in iOS. I thank each one of them. I think Dr. Mukta, Dr. Pallavi, Dr. Sridhar Kannan, Dr. Sunil, Dr. Kritika, Dr. Vaibhava, Dr. Prema, Dr. Divya, our own Nightingale, and the melodious Dr. Sridevi Madam, Dr. Jayesh on his flute, and of course, Dr. Kavita, and once again, Dr. Sanjay. Thank you so much. I thank all people who joined here today, the distinguished panelists, the patriotic people who are here today on a Sunday morning to celebrate the 75th Independence Day. Thank you one and all, and happy Independence Day. Have a great day ahead.
Thank you so much, sir. It is all because of your effort. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Jai
much.
Hind, Jai iOS.
Jai Hind, Jai iOS. Yes, thank you.
Jai Hind.